via Hotel Bravo, hold short taxiway Kilo.
Hotel Bravo 7713 November.
Okay, 1351 on the radio.
13 November is verify, hold short taxiway Kilo.
340
Hold short,
degree.
taxi via Kilo. Hotel Bravo CST 7713
I'm
November.
getting better.
Las Vegas ground, Sirius November 61 Alpha uniforms at the engine run-up pad, run-up complete. Request taxi for westerly departure. We have information in you.
Runway 7 for 61 Alpha uniform.
Sir, 61 Alpha uniform, North Las Vegas ground, going more northwest or southwest?
And that'll be southwest of November 61 Alpha uniform.
Sir, 61 Alpha uniform, North Las Vegas ground, roger. Call me holding short hotel.
Hold short hotel, November 61 Alpha uniform.
Tell us go.
Skyhawk 758 November Victor on departure, flight suggested heading 340. Nellis departure frequency 135.1, squawk 4753.
340-351-4753, 8 November Victor.
Skyhawk 8 November Victor, read back correct, contact tower.
Contact tower.
Enter. How do you push in?
Ground RV213, run up complete, ready to come.
Oh.
North Las Vegas Tower, good morning. Skyhawk 758 November Victor, holding short Kilo, 30 left. North Las Vegas Tower, good morning. Skyhawk 758 November Victor, holding short Kilo, 30 left.
Skyhawk 758 November Victor, North Las Vegas Tower, runway 30 left and clear for takeoff, fly straight out.
30 left, clear for takeoff, straight out. 8 November Victor. Okay. Got to put a little elevator up this time.
Begin turn into the downwind.
Yep. Clear.
Port Alpha begin turn into the downwind.
Clear, clear?
Yep. Okay.
Tower RV213,
Hey, your speed's
number 1,
alive.
Kilo holding short 30 left.
Looking
40,
for
5,
60, 55, 60.
5,
And
60.
rotate.
5.
God damn that elevator.
That's the 49er Echo number 2, runway 30 right, clear for the option.
I'm going to make a note.
What's the elevator at?
That's what I say. We need to make a note of what that's at.
RV 29213
There was-
North Las Vegas Tower, runway 30 left to clear for takeoff, fly straight out.
RV213, clear for takeoff 30 left, fly straight out.
Above. It's at the E. E for elevator.
Okay?